Have you ever watched someone want to be seen and be terrified of what that visibility would require? This case study is about a food truck owner who had the skill, the vision, and the work ethic, but felt stuck when it came to consistency, planning, and showing up as the face of her brand. Not because she didn't care, but because visibility didn't feel safe. When we first sat down, she was dealing with three pressures at once. Posting was inconsistent. She was planning to expand her menu without fully understanding the cost implications. And she was deeply shy about being publicly associated with the brand she had built. On the outside, it looked like a marketing problem. On the inside, it was truly an orientation problem. So we didn't begin with tools. We began with her real day. We walked minute by minute through what happened when she arrived at work and how she closed at night. That's when the real issue became visible. Without a clear closing routine, she was arriving every morning already behind, already drained, before she ever reached creative work or even content. From that clarity, we built a simple closing and prep checklist. Nothing fancy, just a system that allowed her to arrive ready instead of playing catch up. That alone shifted her relationship to her workday. Only after that structure was stable did I introduce a simple video content plan tied directly to her actual workflow. Not what she thought she should be doing or what the gurus say she should be posting. Then came the creative layer. Using Suno, she turned her hopes and visions for her business into a custom jingle. In that moment, something changed. Content stopped feeling like pressure and started feeling like play. Her brand suddenly had a voice that felt like hers. Since that session, she has her checklist in daily use, her first video is recorded, and her jingle is now part of her content. But the most important shift wasn't technical, it was internal. Visibility no longer feels like a threat. It feels like something she can enter and be prepared. This case matters because it reveals something simple and powerful. Most consistency problems aren't discipline problems. They're preparedness and identity safety problems. When people feel ready, they show up. Now, if this story sounds familiar to you, if visibility feels heavy or exposing instead of natural, you don't need more motivation or AI tools. You probably need better orientation. If you'd like support restoring clarity in your own work, you're welcome to book a free consultation through Business Tech Lab, and we'll look at where you are, what's blocking movement, and what's simple once it's clearly seen.